Module 1. Introduction to MicroPython. You should have some experience of programming your microbit using the MakeCode editor and combining blocks to write programs. These blocks are not the only way you can program your microbit. It can also run programs written in other languages. One of these languages is Python. Python is a high-level programming language that can be used to write computer programs and is often used as a first text-based programming language in schools. MicroPython allows you to write Python code in a piece of software that then creates a program to run on your microbit. You access the Python editor using a web browser and the URL on this slide.